Hello, I am petroonishchuk. Topic of this video is push notification. For testing our push notification, I will create SwiftUI project, UIkit project, and also will be using Amazon Simply Notification Servers. Also, this is not whole video about this topic. This video is linked to my GitHub repository, where I create a two projects for using UIkit and SwiftUI for using our push notification and also for using Amazon Simply Notification Servers. Let's move to our project. How you can see, last section what we have, SwiftUI UIkit project and Amazon Simply Notification. In this section we have a two project. SwiftUI project by using push notification and Amazon Simply Notification Servers, and also UIkit project by using our Amazon Simply Notification Servers. Let's move to first project. First, how you can see, we have our README file. Through this file, I try to explain how you can set up your SwiftUI project for using push notification, and also how you can set up your app developer account for using push notification, and also how you can set up Amazon Simply Notification Servers. How you can see, first I try to explain how you can set up your SwiftUI project, code from your SwiftUI project, and also what you must set up inside your app developer account for using push notification. And also I try to explain how you can set up Amazon Simply Notification Service. On the end we will have our notification and put message from our notification on our screen. How you can see, we will be using a list and put all notification in our list. Okay, let's move to our UIkit project. And also in our UIkit project, in README file, I try to explain how you can set up your UIkit project for work with push notification, and also how you can set up your app developer account, and also how you can set up Amazon Simply Notification Servers. How you can see, this is our UIkit project. This is our app developer account, and also we have our Amazon Simply Notification Service. On the end, how you can see, we will be sent our message from our Amazon Simply Notification Service, take this message in our UIkit project, and display this message by using UIW. How you can see, we put each message from our notification to our application. This is the end of this video. All links for these two projects I put below in description. And also, if you have any question about this project and also about how set up Amazon Simply Notification Servers, you can put your question below on the comment. This is the end. Thank you for watching.